you are carrying more than $10,000 in U.S. currency, you will carry
Star hits L.A. and L.A. hits back. I'm telling you, this is non-stop business. More on that later. I'm here waiting for the arrival of Hollywood's newest sensation. And it's not the pain shooting out my legs from standing here so long. Okay, can we talk? Hollywood's top producers have scoured the country. And will we die?
Be sure to keep your arms, legs, and egos inside the limo at all times.
This is what Rosie O'Donnell went on.
There's a collect call for you. It's your new agent.
Swifty here, babe. Welcome to Hollywood. Looking sensational as always. Listen, I'll have your contract for you at the premiere, okay? Just get to the Chinese theater pronto, you hear me? Everybody's waiting, capiche? Now don't be late, babe.
Don't worry, we'll get you there in time. Our first stop is glamorous Rodeo Drive. There's Regis Philbin, and that's my final answer. If it isn't vivacious Melanie Griffith and dashing Antonio Banderas. And there's Hollywood beauty Cindy Crawford. The world-famous Sunset Strip. Hold your sides, everyone. It's Funny Man Tim Allen.
Can
I have your autograph?
Jackie Chan. Care to rumble?
Hey, where are you? I repeat, don't be late. Kiss, kiss.
Welcome to Bel Air, where the streets are paved with royalties and hype. How about a map to your house, Drew Carey?
Doors are soda.
Sell our sneakers, just sign here.
Pool party, hold your breath now.
Come on, be Swifty's favorite star, okay? And get here now.
Malibu, where the beautiful people become even more beautiful. Why, the always entertaining Cher. Tattoos are all the rage. Shall I ink you in for one?
Look up and say cheese. Show us your pearly white smile to the camera. 1, 2,
Everywhere you turn, there are Hollywood studios.
You're perfect for my script. You'll laugh. You'll cry.
Every word says you.
Well, this is it. The premiere of your very own movie. Hollywood favorite, Whoopi Goldberg.
Look, it's Hollywood's newest sensation. And you know what that means, don't you, baby? You've arrived.
As they say in this town, looks like you are Big Buffalo. And don't let it go to your head. Now there's a familiar face. Smiling down from that billboard.
Congratulations, kid. They love your movie. Why, you are a superstar. It's big time. Buffo, I see your name in lights. I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hollywood's newest sensation.
Don't you look good on camera? Now that's what I call a superstar. Let me grab some popcorn, because I know I'll be seeing a lot of you in the movie.